Hi everyone, welcome to Python Code Nemesis. Today we'll be talking about rebasing merge requests in Git and a few more Git specific tasks. So let's get started. Git version control is an important part of software development. You must know how to add, commit, and push files to GitHub, and also create merge requests to merge your code in other repositories. Today's agenda is rebase and merge, delete branch locally and fetch again, revert push to the wrong branch, creating an MR for child branch. So these are all scenarios that we have done in our collaborative GitHub project, and sometimes rectifying these becomes a bit of a hassle. So that's what we will be solving here. In this article, we'll be looking at a specific scenario, which is rebasing. Let's say you have created your merge request to the main branch with your changes. Your merge request remained open for a pretty long, and lots of other people have made commits to the main branch of the codebase. You've seen your branch is 23 commits behind master. There might be changes to the same files that you're making changes to, and in that case, you cannot rebase from the UI. You will have to rebase locally. Great. Go to your branch and type git pull origin main branch name. This will say rebasing commits. If there is a merge conflict, it will say resolve conflict. Go to the file and take the commits as you want, except the upstream changes, add your changes and then save the file. Now add the file to Git with git added conflicted file.py. Now commit with git commit minus and fix conflict. Then push to Git using git push. Wait, here is where I once made a big mistake of pushing directly to the parent branch by mistake. You push this to my branch, that is your branch. Git push origin my branch is the command. This is it. Once you get this done, the commit should show up in your MR in the browser. Initial rebase. Let's say you pull from upstream and you see there's a merge conflict. To resolve it, go to that file. You can either manually remove the conflicts by looking for equal tos, greater than, and less thans. You can use the Git tab of your pie chart, go to the changes and click on resolve conflict. This will resolve your conflict. You can either accept yours, accept theirs, or merge. Once this is done, add this file to Git with git add my file name. Commit it with git commit minus m resolve conflict. Now push it into your branch, my branch, and not the branch the MR is pointing to with the command git push origin my branch. This is very important. Now your merge conflict is resolved and you can get back to your normal commit cycle. Great. This was the happy part scenario. Let's say while merging you ran into some errors and while rebasing your head got detached and now you have no idea which commit your head is pointing to and how to resolve this issue. That is exactly what we will do next. Delete the branch locally and fetch again. You might need to delete branches locally if you mistakenly mess up your local branch, which I did once. In that case, you can delete the branch. To delete my branch locally, use git minus t my branch. Next, fetch all the branches again with git fetch. That's it. Solves if you have messed up branches locally. For the rest of this article, we will be looking at it in the next video. Thanks for watching.